Does anybody have any questions that you got to something this week? Because it's one thing for you to listen to me and like, I'm following. And some people get real technical. I'm tracking. I'm tracking. It's a whole other ball game when you have to go into the
Yeah.
market and
Yes.
and put it into play. Okay. So here is my suggestion for you guys. Take your demo account down to as low as you can get it, that's closest to what you're going to start your account with. Because you guys are trading wonderfully with $100,000, and we all trade wonderfully with $100,000. But if you're going to start your account with $300, go to Bitcoin, put as many standards as you can, and just close your trade out. Because we should all know, based on Saturday morning basics, that you have to pay a spread. So lose your account just off spread alone and get your account down. If you're going to start with $1,000, lose your account down to $1,000. Now, when you open your account, you can open it with a $3,000 demo account and then just lose that down. Don't try to lose $100,000 down. Just get rid of that account altogether. Open another account, choose the $3,000 balance, lose it. Because what you don't want to do is make yourself think you're a better trader than you are, and then you are like, I'm ready. Oh, I'm ready. And you sacrifice that $300 or $500 or even $1,000. Are you really like, okay, I'm putting this $5,000 on here because I am killing it? And you get in the market and you lose that in 4 days. It happens. So take your demo account down and trade it several times. Don't just take one demo account one time down and trade that up and you're like, oh, I got it, blah, blah, blah. No. Test yourself several times. Can you consistently grow that account size? And that's going to tell you what you can and can't do. Again, try out various pairs. For those that don't know what to trade, I always tell new traders, start with the odd pairs. AUDJPY is my favorite odd pair to trade. I pretty much like everything with JPY on it. Odd JPY, USD JPY, Euro USD. I like JPY pairs. I just do. But your odd market moves real smooth, not stressful at all. Try out different sessions. Don't fool yourself. I am not a 2 a.m. kind of girl. And I fooled myself into thinking that I was going to be a London trader. I was like, yeah, I'm get up. That's when that market's moving. People making money. Boom, bah, bah, boom. I was at my computer like this. Wake up and don't know what happened. So be true to yourself. Keep records of what you do. You want to know if you truly are great. So keep record of that. Go back and analyze why your trades were right. Like, yep, it followed my checklist. Yep. When you lose a trade, like, okay, hold up. Let's see. Wait a minute. I was up. Okay, all right, okay. I've been supporting. Okay, I got in and support. I bought it support. Okay. But it didn't have a retest. So look at what went wrong. Physically, look at your trading checklist. Don't mentally do your checklist right now. Physically, have a piece of paper next to you. Do I see? Yep. Check. Do I see? Check. Okay. Do I? Check it off. For those of you all that came over from IML, you guys may know what I'm talking about. There was this thing called Cash Trap. And with Cash Trap, they gave like 8 indicators. And if you see like 5 of them, take the trade. Anybody hear from that? Anybody know what I'm talking about? Okay. And they
Yes.
told you, if you see 5 of those things, even though we gave you 8, if you see 5, take the trade. With your trading list, think about it this way. If you can take it off, then why is it on there? If it's strong enough that you're saying it needs to be on my checklist, then it's a must-have. Keep it on your checklist. And if you don't see one, so you mean to tell me if I got 5 things and I only see 4, don't take the trade? That's exactly what I'm telling you. After all, this is your money. Some of you guys have spouses to give account to, and they're trusting. They're like, all right, babe, I'm gonna let you do this. Okay. But she's waiting. She's like, that could have been Louis Vuitton bag that you just lost. We eat ramen noodles so I can help you with your dream. Don't blow that opportunity, and don't blow the confidence that your spouse has in your ability to follow through. And don't make your spouse put so much pressure on your back that you do something that you're not ready to do. You know what you need to do? You got a plan. You got to follow that plan. I need us to win. So let's go through our plan. Are we ready? Now, here is what your trading plan is not a dissertation. It should not be in paragraph form. It should be a quick and easy. I see this. I don't see this. I see this. I don't see this. Okay. Check the news. Now we're going to the buy side. I'm putting everything I need to have in order to buy. What's the first thing I need to see on my chart before I say, yeah, I can continue to look for a buy?